Hey, we got a BNSF freight train coming. Almost in. All right. This is EJ's Train. If you like this content, please like and subscribe and share. Hit notification bell for future videos. Here come the horn. A single unit up front, so I'm guessing this might either have a metal DPU locomotive set or one pushing at the rear or a couple pushing at the rear. This is a long train for one locomotive. They are powerful though. That engine has over 4,000 horsepower, so. Might be doing this solo. I don't look like I see a DPU at the rear. Wow. Impressive. Yeah, no DPUs. That one locomotive is pulling all these auto rack cars. Oh, that graffiti. There go the rear. Once again, thank you for watching. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Thank you.